Never fails. Every time. Why can't you leave me alone? Come here. Why can't I ever go out alone? Hey guys, welcome to Gogan Bushcraft. Today's challenge day, and today my cat Zero decided to join me. Now I'm about maybe 300 to 400 yards behind my house in the woods. And yes, I brought my pack with me, but I'm not using my pack today. The only thing I got in here with me today is my summertime camping gear. I do have a bottle of water with me in case I get thirsty, but today is challenge day. And as far as the rules, all right, we're going. I can bring one additional item with me as far as collecting my materials. Now, also with the challenge, we have to cook something and use that spoon and eat with it. So today, I know I love it too. Oh, great! I got another hitchhiker, Whiskers. What I brought with me? Don't let me get you hurt, buddy. Come on. What I brought with me today is my hatchet, and this hatchet is a 2-in-1. On the inside is a built-in saw blade where I can gather my material. So I got that. The handguard that goes over it, so I'll cut my hand with the hatchet part itself, and of course the carving knife. Now I got that. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to put my carving knife back in my pocket. I'm going to get my hatchet, and we're going to start gathering material. Get everything screwed in, tighten down. Now I got my saw blade. Let's go get our material. All right. Wasn't too bad. Starting to get the rough shape. Roughly started. You can tell it's transfer spoon. I got a little gouge here that I got to work out, but it's coming along. Got some thinning down to do. It's a process. Slowly by slowly, it's getting there. And there you go. We got one wooden spoon. Let's get to cooking with it now. See where to go. For my meal today, we're just gonna do some Hormel chili. me get my spoon here. I say challenge accomplished. That's really good. I prefer my chili with a little bit of Doritos in it and a little bit of nacho cheese. That's just me though. But hey, maybe we'll scoop with it. Get some food on there. Scoop with it, stir with it. And I'm not getting no splinters in my mouth, so I think that's good. Well, guys, I think that's one challenge down. Excuse me, let me clean up my face there. I didn't bring any napkins, but it's all right. Hey, wait, I got one. Got it. But yeah, I say a very successful challenge completed. So look forward to see you guys in the follow-up live stream video that me and Chris are going to be doing. And for all your newcomers that have not seen my channel before, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you guys don't miss any of my new content that's coming out. And just like always, guys, get outdoors and have your own adventure. See you guys next time.